everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Power Finance account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in powerfi.org, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Power Finance. You'll be able to find various options over here. If you want to log into your account, what you have to do is click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your username and password. So what you have to do is click on the field of username. Now enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now, after you enter the username and password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen, and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Power Finance account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.